Alright, so I'm out here in the creek in February. Got my waders on. Got a really good signal. And just pulled this up. I haven't opened it yet. But by gosh, there's a coin in there. So let's see what I got here. Alright. That is crust in there on wrist scratching it. So I'll wait till I get out of the water and take care of it then. Oh, there it goes. Yeah, I don't want to lose that. This water's cold too. Alright, check back. Here's an update. I washed this thing off a little bit and found out it was indeed 1986. Yeah, it was close. 100 years. It's a 1986 Silver Eagle, 1 ounce of silver. And being modern, I didn't worry about maintaining patina, so I cleaned it with the aluminum foil, baking soda, and hot water trick. Took most of the tarnish off. Very pretty coin. I think I'll keep that.
Hi, it's me, Caroline, the hostess with the mostest. Hope you enjoy all of our videos in this video.
It is windy. Hope you can hear over the wind noise. I say hi to Brandon. 2 videos in a row wearing his Southeast Relic Hunter Mauser shirt. That's his favorite gun.
Yep.
We've got some fans following Preston around.
Hey.
Some of his biggest fans. They're curious, but they're not getting too close. There's Preston. Thought we'd try out the field today. We've had some pretty good luck over in the woods here lately with some bullets, Civil War type stuff. Dug several targets. This is a type of stuff we're digging. This is simply a file. Preston might have got him a little frame or something off a pocket watch, we're guessing maybe. Thought it was a can top at first, but it's not. So don't think it's super old, but it's something. Means there's other targets around. So we got a lot of field out here, and we're probably gonna do some shooting today too. So we'll be back with you. Preston's up in the woods and he's on the board with the bullet. Very nice, Preston.
Oops, the camera just broke.
Hey.
Preston is about to fire the Colt General Nathan Bedford Forrest commemorative single action Frontier. She's a beauty. Woo! Lay it on it. Yeah, you hit it.
What's the visor?
There's your problem.
Cock it.
How am I missing? There we go.
Shoot the other one. There you go, went right through. It went on the hill. Too high.
I'll shoot the bag. If I miss that.
Go high.
No, I hit that. There's no way.
You hit the... The Glock 19 Marsoc. Go ahead. Good. Front sight focus. Focus on your trigger press. Alright. Yeah, that's what it's doing to us. So I have a big red spot on my forehead. Good. You're alright. You went right between them, I think. A little low. Front sight focus. You're done. Hold that up. General Nathan Bedford Forrest commemorative Colt pistol. Go ahead, Preston. Shooting high, aim for the base of it.
Oh yeah, it's a Colt.
Some great footage here.
More like 4.